Hi, I'm Ben from Second Dynasty. For 8 years, we've been designing 3D printable science fiction scenery for your tabletop, from nostalgic interiors to complete starships. If you're like me, you might have backed a lot of STL campaigns. And maybe it's getting hard to justify backing more. Either you already own a mountain of unpainted terrain, or have a horde of STL files choking up your hard drive. I get overwhelmed by the sheer volume, and there's a big reason why. I don't have time to paint it all. Miniatures and even vehicles can be fun to paint up and detail, but terrain and massive starships, they get tedious, taking weeks or even months to complete. But with the rise of affordable multicolor FDM solutions, you can bring your tabletop to life. Color FDM printing changes everything. By using just a few different color filaments and types, you can achieve amazing results, metallic finishes, and amazing detail without pulling out a single paintbrush. We are now including the files for you to print easily and color yourself. Aside from color print friendliness, our Exoplanet colony uses our GridForge tile and frame system. It allows you to slot in tiles and hot swap them. Use an empty grid for fog of war, or swap out tiles on the fly to change the scenario conditions. The frames and walls connect with our tiny supporting clip, which is a fraction of the size of other clips and prints very fast. Wow your players with our prefab colony corridors, our research lab, power plant, executive suite, hangar, vehicle bay, and of course the exterior terrain. And populate it all with our awesome vehicles and miniatures. We need your help to expand the Exoplanet colony range and grow GridForge to a wider audience. So, what are you waiting for? Stop painting and start printing today.